Okay, welcome back, guys. So today I have a Printify tutorial for you. So I created this design in Canva. It's cute as whale. There's little watercolor whales, and I downloaded it on my computer as a PNG with a transparent background. So I already did that. Now I'm going to head over to Printify. So I'm already logged in. And I'm just going to go to the bestsellers collection and okay, I'm going to do the Gildan sweatshirt here. Now, if you get to the page, you can see it's a unisex sweatshirt. And if you scroll down, Printify has all these different print providers that you can choose from. So I live in the United States and I usually go with Monster Digital, so I'm going to go ahead and choose them today. And I'm going to add my design from my device. So now I'm going to go ahead and download the cute as whale PNG and just wait for it to upload here. Give it a second. There it is. So I'm going to move it up on the shirt and I'm actually going to change it. I don't want white to be an option, so I'm just going to change it to black. And now I'm going to go ahead and do a preview here. Now, this is the design on the shirt. I think that looks good. And you can also put it on gray, maybe. Nope, not gray. Gray's not a good option. Maybe navy. Navy might be a good one. You can see the mock-up here. Yeah, navy. Okay, sure. I'll just do black for now, and I'm going to save the product. And now it's going to go to the spot where all my products are, and I'm going to go to edit the listing. And when I'm in Printify, the only thing that I do, I don't edit any of this stuff inside of the listing. I just hit hide and store. Under variant visibility, I go to in-stock variants as available and out of stock variants as sold out because it's better for SEO. And then I already have a shipping profile. I always give free shipping. And now I'm going to publish it. And now it's going to be pushed to my Etsy shop. So I hope this was helpful. Happy creating!